Facebook has created their own widgets for the iPhone lock screen. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to get Facebook widgets for your lock screen on iPhone. Now let's get started. In order to have the option for lock screen widgets on iPhone, first make sure you've updated to iOS 16. Then open your settings. Select Wallpaper. Under the lock screen, tap Customize. Now tap Add Widgets. In the menu that appears, scroll down and select Facebook. Now you can see the Facebook widget options. With these widgets, you can see your friends' birthdays, or you can get top updates with important Facebook notifications on your lock screen. Tap the widget you'd like to add to your lock screen. Then drag your widgets to arrange them how you'd like. When you're finished adding and arranging your widgets, tap Done in the top right corner. Now your Facebook widgets are all set up and ready to use. If you tap one of these widgets, it will open the Facebook app to a corresponding page. That's all it takes to add and use Facebook widgets for iPhone lock screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.